नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। मोहतरम करम सामीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम। प्रोफेसर चौधरी अब्दुल रानी आपसे मुखातब है। तो मैंने प्रिंस जहां आरा के बारे में बताना है कि वो आपको पता है कि शाहजहां की बेटी थी। तो उसने अपने भाइयों के दरमियान जो तख्त और ताज की जंग शुरू हुई थी उसको रुकवाने की बड़ी कोशिश की, लेकिन वो जंग ना रुक सकी। तो वो एक नवाब से नाराज़ थी, उसका पता नहीं चला, उसने उसके लिबास में शाम छुड़वा दिया था। तो वो बेचारा मर गया। अब कुदरत का इंतकाम देखो कि वो अपनी सालगिरह मनाने वाली थी कि उसके लिबास को आग लग गई। लंबा लिबास होता है, उसे टेन कहते हैं। तो फिर हमारे हकीमों ने बड़ा इलाज किया, लेकिन उसका इलाज ना हो। फिर अंग्रेज़ डॉक्टर को बुलाया गया, उसने इलाज कर दिया। तो शाहजहां ने खुश होकर ना उससे इनाम का पूछा। उसने कहा मैं पूछ कर बताऊँगा। तो वो अंग्रेज़ आपको पता तेज से उन्होंने कहा कि हमें कैश नहीं चाहिए, हमें ज़मीन चाहिए। तो शाहजहां ने उनके बहुत सारे गांव ज़मीन दे दिए। तो इस वजह से ये मुसलमानों का यहाँ डाउनफॉल स्टार्ट होता है। ये ज़मीन ही उन्हें देनी चाहिए थी। तो इसके बारे में ये जो मैं पढ़ने वाला हूँ, तो इसका उन्वान है प्रिंस जहां आरा गॉड प्लेस द लिविंग स्नेक। जहां आरा गॉड एंग्री विद वन ऑफ हर लॉर्ड्स, बट हिस्ट्री इज साइलेंट टू टेल अस द रीजन ऑफ हर एंगर। I tried my best but could not find the reason. Anyhow, she called the Lord. He came. The princess God placed the living snake. God placed the living snake in the breast of that poor Lord. It stung him. As a result, he died. Jahara should not have given him such a cruel punishment. It is a prince's part to pass by an offense. Bacon says in his essays, he says truly, Princess Jahara got terribly burned. She was going to celebrate her birthday. She got prepared a very good train. Train is a long dress. The train, let us return to the birthday of Jahara. She wore train held by the trainees. She entered the great hall lit by candles. Lamps closed and opened at night to celebrate her birthday. There was blowing air. When she entered the hall, air blew fast. It reached the lamps open. Lamps lit by the hibiscus oil. Along with it, her train caught fire all of a sudden. The fire spread all over her dress. Princess Jahara got terribly burned. It may be Allah's punishment, for she wronged the Lord with the snake. Her treatment started. Shah Jahan called the famous, well-reputed Hakims of India for her treatment, but she could not be cured. Then Shah Jahan was told by his courtiers that there was an English doctor with the English people of England. Why should His Majesty not consult him? Shah Jahan at once agreed. Shah Jahan at once agreed. He called the English doctor. He was advised to treat the princess. He started his treatment. The princess got better. After some months, Shah Jahan was overjoyed. Shah Jahan used to pay a very reasonable fee to the doctor, but when she was all right and Shah Jahan was overjoyed, he sent for the doctor. He wanted to give him an award according to the desire of the doctor. He wished for award. His wish for award was asked. The doctor consulted his countrymen. They advised him to demand a large area of land. कि ज़मीन हमें दे दी जाए. Shah Jahan agreed to the doctor's desire. He allotted a large area of land to that doctor. The English people availed of this land very much. They built a wall around it. They declared that was the headquarters of the East India Company. At last, Shah Jahan gave the land as a prize. That land actually proved the turning point of the downfall of the Muslims of the subcontinent, because the English were very cunning, clever, hypocritical and anti-Islam. Thus anti-Muslims, they started keeping armed men, war horses, weapons in the disguise of the protection, safeguard and security of the English people and the East India Company. Muhammad Qasim Khud Chaudhary is my third son. The elder is Hussain Umar Chaudhary. In between is Muhammad Sama Khud Chaudhary, and the youngest, the third one, is Muhammad Qasim Khud Chaudhary. He is fond of reading of historical novels. He has read almost all the novels, Naseem Hijazi, Inayatullah and Ismail Sagar. One day he raised me a question. Father, you are highly impressed by Aurangzeb Alamgir. But that Aurangzeb Alamgir allowed the English people to build forts and keep army in Bengal. Why they did so? I was answerless. Really, I could not answer. Anyhow, thank you. This is all about Princess Jahanara and her cruelty and her punishment by Allah Ta'ala. Assalamu alaikum.